Konnichiwa, mabuhay! We are a Filipino family who are living in Japan for almost 20 years and now decided to move back in the Philippines by faith. This is our story. Join us in our journeys.
Time. Pogi. Oh, say baby. What are you eating? Chaufan.
Because I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry. Okay.
Kahit medyo pagod pa sa biyahe, next day is nag-lunch kami nila sis Jan at sis Malen sa labas. So, napakasaya namin kasi marami kaming napagkwentuhan. And the next day is my baking class.
At dito po ako sa Philippines. It's June 29. So, andito po ako sa loob ng tricycle. Papunta po ako sa baking class ko. Ayan. So, nag-tricycle lang po ako kasi malapit lang yung aking baking class dito sa pinagstayhan namin. So, ayan po. Medyo mainit na. Kasi mag-aalas 8 na po dito. Ayan. So, super excited po ako for today kasi marami po akong matututunan for today para sa ating cafe. Ayan. So, ang ganda po ng aking tricycle na sinakyan kasi maluwag siya. Yeah. So, napakasarap po ng pakiramdam kasi katong Philippines po tayo. Okay. So, sige po. Hindi pa naman tayo late. So, sige po. Bye! Thank you!
May mga flour pa. Okay. So, remember sa ingredients, sabi ko 17 to 25 minutes. Pero class, iba-iba ang mixer. So, it doesn't mean na ita-time nyo to tapos papasa sa
Pwede na po.
wait lang.
Hintay lang.
Baka kasi maghiwa-hiwalay. Sige, alagay na ng outlet.
Ikaw na, sir.
Madalas palang diligan ko.
Nakakawin naman. Sige, tatapos na.
So, pasok na tayo sa loob.
Ayan, finally natapos na din po namin yung mga ginagawa namin mga tinapay, and I thank the Lord for giving me the strength to finish the training from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So nagpapasalamat din po ako sa aking husband for taking care of Genesis, my teachers and co-students. May the Lord bless you also as you bless me. Thank you.
Your pandesal!
Our pandesal pala, I'm sorry.
Your pandesal.
Yes,
Oh my God.
perfect with sardines. May calamansi.
Nice.
Yan po, oh. Sarap.
Look at that.
Ito ang aming ginawang burger buns. Diba? Ang ganda ng shape.
How is it?
It's good. Sarap po ng pandesal. Ayan po, kakadating ko lang po dito sa hotel. So, pakita namin po ang aming binake today. Asaan ba dito?
Baking class si Mama.
Yes. Paano ba i-flip to? Papa, paano i-flip? Walang flip.
Bake a lot of bread.
Yes.
This is, in the Philippines we call this loaf bread. This is a loaf bread. You don't want that. You don't want that.
Yan.
Okay, how about, what is this, Mama? Maybe
This
this is pan de coco. Is it correct, no?
Yeah, pan de
It's
coco.
pan de coco.
Yay.
Inside there's coconut inside.
Mm.
Oh!
Ayan.
Mama baked.
Cinnamon.
What's this? Simi mo.
Your
It's
favorite.
simi mo. Wow, ang ganda ng packaging nila.
This is my favorite.
1, 2, 3, 6.
This is my favorite.
This is your favorite? It's pan de coco? No, this is your favorite simi one.
This is my
Okay, okay. We'll eat later, okay?
Okay.
So we have cinnamon, pandesal. I think this pandesal. This pandesal,
Yeah,
Mama?
it's pandesal.
Wow, dami na pinakainin, Francis! Pandesal, cinnamon, pandikoko, low bread. At hindi pa yan. Let me, this is called ensaymada. This is a very classic ensaymada, Philippine ensaymada.
I want that.
Nowadays, yung ensaymada, may ano?
That's not, I think that's cheese roll.
That's cheese roll?
Queso roll.
Oh,
This
queso
is
roll?
queso roll.
Oh, this is queso. Oh!
Yung may Spanish, this one.
This is
Spanish bread.
Spanish bread.
This is queso
Okay,
roll.
this is queso. This is cheese bread. Cheese bread.
No, queso roll.
Queso roll.
I want this.
This is Spanish bread.
I want this.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, okay. Wow.
Like
It's a lot of bread. What? Wow. Wow.
The hamburger.
Wow. We have Spanish bread, ensaymada. We have cheese bread, queso roll, choco roll, burger buns, loaf bread, cinnamon roll,
And pandikoko.
and pandikoko.
My
Wow.
favorite.
What to eat?
This.
This one?
Yeah.
But we are eating spaghetti now. Maybe spaghetti and this one.
This
This
one.
one? Okay, we'll try this one. Okay?
Sige po. Thank
Okay.
you.
Wow! Ang dami!
Yan po yung binake namin sa class.
Ang dami natin, friends!